In today's video, I'll teach you how to reactivate your Uber account. So if you have deactivated your Uber account and if you want to reactivate it, it is actually very simple. First of all, what you have to do is simply launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome, or you can also open the Uber application if you want. If you have opened the browser, click on the search bar and type in uber.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Uber. So if you want to reactivate your recently deactivated your account, all you have to do is log in to your account. If you deactivated your account not more than 30 days ago, then you'll be able to log into your account directly. If you log into your account will be automatically reactivated. For that, click on the login option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to log into your account. You'll be able to find various methods for logging in over here. You can log in with your phone number or email, Google, Apple, etc. Here I'm going to click on this option, continue with Google. Now choose an account to continue. Now you can see over here you'll be logged into your account and your account will be automatically reactivated. But if you deactivated your account more than 30 days ago, you'll not be able to do so. In order to address this problem, what you have to do is simply contact the support. Go to new tab, click on the search bar, and what you have to do is type in help.uber.com. After you do that, press enter. Now you'll be led to the help center of Uber. From there, you'll be able to seek the help. You'll be able to find various categories over here. What you can do is simply choose any categories of your choice. Now once you do that, you'll be led to another interface. You'll be able to see the support resources over here. You can ask the question if you want. Also, you'll be able to see all the topics. What you have to do is simply select the topic related with your account. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see the subtopics over here. What you have to do is scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find this option for I need to contact support. This kind of option will be available for all the topics, so simply click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be able to contact the support. You can see over here you'll have to fill in this form. First of all, enter the name on your account. Now what you have to do is enter your phone number. Make sure to enter the phone number that you give to your account. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Over here, you'll be able to find this option for account and payment issues. What you can do is simply toggle this button on, or you can also simply toggle this button on right next to the option other. Now after you do that, you'll have to share the details. Simply click on this field. Now what you have to do is enter your problem over here. You can write it on your own language. You can see over here I've entered the issue like this. You can simply write it on your own language. Now after you do that, click on the submit option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your request has been submitted. Uber has received your message and the Uber will be in touch as soon as possible. They'll suggest you the possible solutions in order to reactivate your account. So that is how you reactivate your Uber account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.